mga ina-admit?
Chemo na po.
Ay, naku, hindi ka nagaganito.
Hindi po.
Ah, sige, para ma-practice mo na dahil baka after nito ay hindi mo naman siya magamit eh. Sige, ma'am.
No, may codable kami, no.
Sige, so meron kang naka-admit na sa floor mo na nag-cancer patient nga. Tapos ngayon, nag-complain siya ng puminuntahan ka ng relative kasi sabi nahihirapan daw huminga yung pasyente niya. Okay, so ano siya, 66-year-old male na lymphoma, sabihin natin. Ikimo siya, tapos ngayon nag-complain daw siya na nahihirapan huminga. Pagdating mo sa room ng pasyente, unresponsive na siya. Do your BLS assessment.
Ensuring naka-PPE na po.
Okay.
Then, check for responsiveness ng patient. Kidney, are you okay? Kidney, are you okay?
Patient is unresponsive.
Check pulse.
Okay, sige, bilang ka.
1,000, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000.
Okay, no pulse, no proper breathing. Call for
Call for
Okay.
Call for code. Tapos start compression.
No pulse, no breathing.
Okay, dumating na yung code team mo. Kayo yung code team.
Get the crash card, code card.
Sige.
Assign po. Defibrillator, Ma'am Jonah. Next compressor, Ma'am Jasmine. Yung pangalan hindi ko makikita. Tapos medication nurse, Ma'am, Sir Josh.
Ma'am Alex, 1, 2, 3, switch. Ma'am Bea, for the car coach, please. Sir Raps for next compressor, ma'am.
Next compressor, Ma'am
One, two, three, switch.
switch on 3, 1, 2, 3, stop CPR, pause,
Okay, visual receiver muna. Sir Raps.
clear, everybody's clear.
Clear. Ma'am Seller, you have next compressor.
Next compressor is saan naman yung Joel's na?
Okay,
Next compressor is Ma'am Stella, switch on 3, 1, 2, 3, stop CPR, pulse and
okay, i-touch tayo. Bigit.
Airway.
Okay, shock.
shock delivered.
Check your pulse.
Intubate the patient.
CPR.
CPR.
Okay, good. Good. Slower.
Lower. Bigit.
Faster. Good. Good.
Did we give everyone last session?
No, we did not. Wala.
Okay, one.
Slower.
Hold up.
Slower. Mag-criminal drug mo tayo. Okay.
Do you CPR?
Here, ano ba?
Clear. Clear equal. Clear equal. Clear equal. Clear equal.
Para nakakasiyas. Ngayon, parang nag-delivery watery morning, 5 episodes per month. Tapos parang ngayon
AN mo available. Hindi ako magsasabi nun.
Next compressor is Ma'am L. From 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop CPR, pulse and breathing check.
Okay, for doctor.
Did we give epi on the last cycle?
No, this is the first cycle.
Give 1 milligram epi.
Shock delivered.
Confirming eh, sige, sinong medication sa
Confirming FP
Ma'am,
1
ready na
milligram.
po yung pang-update.
Yes, kaya good.
Ma'am Alex,
FP 1 milligram.
Relax. Good. Relax.
touch on echo.
Relax.
Maintain, ma'am. Maintain.
Good.
Do we know about the patient?
Ano po, nahirapan daw kung huminga bigla yung patient niya yun po. Tapos, meron siyang kinocomplain na chest pain. Yun lang, bigla daw nahirapan po huminga. Tapos nag-uupo, nag-fasting
Wala
days.
sa malapit kasi.
So far, wala yun lang.
Experiencing hypoxia.
15 seconds till next rhythm check.
15 seconds next rhythm check.
Reach on.
Next compressor is sir.
Next compressor is
1, 2, 3. Stop CPR. Pulse and rhythm check.
Reach 1, 2, 3.
Okay, acceleration compression.
Check pulse and rhythm check.
Good. Good.
Systolic.
Good. Relax. Relax.
High quality.
Did we give Evian last time?
Yes po.
Okay, no drug.
Hearing no drug po.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Relax. 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 Good. 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 Let go. Check na lang po ng sugas. Ito po yung relax na hurting. Relax. Relax.
I'm fine. Can you double down, please?
Surely.
Okay, really into the coach.
Gurgling. Yes, yes.
5 ventilations.
Relax.
Clear.
Intubate.
Clear equal.
Okay.
Clear equal.
How's the
Clear
echo?
equal. Clear equal.
Mag 5.2.
Did you give epi on the last cycle?
Yes.
Please give amnion 300
Double
mg.
down, please.
No gurgling.
Amnion 300
Double down,
milligram.
please.
Shoulder
Yes.
entry.
Double down, please.
Shoulder
Double down, please.
Shoulder entry.
Double down, please. Okay, may lateral tayo. Echo. Echo is good.
Okay, do we know about the patient?
Wala, umiiyak pa yung relative, wala pong magbigay ng history. 15 seconds till next rhythm check.
15 seconds na next rhythm check.
Short. Next compressor. Josh.
Medication siya.
Reach on niya. Reach on 1, 2, 3. Stop CPR.
Pulse and rhythm check.
Rhythm check.
Here's your rhythm.
B-top.
Oh, no.
High pulse. High
We
fibrillate.
have pulse.
Yes. Pulse.
Okay,
Unahan mo ako! Unahan mo ako!
Okay, cytos.
Ano siya? Pag may pulse na?
Okay, let's do post-cardiac arrest.
Okay, sige. Isang pulse up. Okay, sir. Robert. Na-enjoy. Na-enjoy niyo ah.
Yeah.
Sir Robert, kamusta?
Maintain. Maintain.
Dati watcher lang ako.
Ngayon, ikaw na.
Ganun.
Ikaw na. Real thing na.
Clear
Kamusta
equal.
so far?
Clear equal.
Pag-ibig.
Clear equal. Clear equal.
Medyo, syempre,
Wait lang.
Did you give epi on the last cycle?
No.
Medyo
Please
okay
give
na.
1 milligram
Ayan,
epi na.
So, actually, napapansin ko
Confirming
sa talaga
1
medyo
milligram epi.
nalilito. Kasi medyo okay.
Yes.
Lalo na sa first few moments bago na first rhythm check.
Do we know about the patient now?
Anything
Wala.
na napansin mo
Ano
sa
daw
members
magbigay?
mo?
15 seconds till next rhythm check.
syempre, mababalin po si Muli.
Next compressor
Tapos yung mga
is
third.
Joy. Joyce. Switch on 1, 2, 3. Stop
Team members, kamusta?
Organized.
Anything na napansin nyo?
Check the
Hi.
pulse.
May pulse.
Okay.
Wala namang comments. Time to first defib natin.
Cardiac arrest.
1 minute 5 seconds.
Okay. Sige, okay na. Congratulations!
Hindi na ba